Alright, working on reset and restoring Yaesu FT897. Had very low power output. Alright, so on FM mode here. Calibrate. PP 200 watts scale. Right. Calibrate. I stop here. Stop here right now. Power 200 watt scale. Right. We go to the 2000 watt scale. So we're going up there. That is 100 watts. On the 2000 watt. Bring it down to the 200 watt scale. So 100 watts. Right. Before that power meter was right down on the left hand side showing no power out at all. So that is on the FM. Yeah, I'm gonna be a little lower. Alright, mode. AM. FM. Upper sideband. Alright, go to some 10 meters. Lower side on. Stop it right down. Calibrate scale. Right, radio working again.